Hello, happy Monday. Today we're going to read the next chapter in our class novel and work on the discussion questions. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to click on the Percy Jackson slides. You'll click here for the book, and it's a downloadable book. It's a PDF, so you'll just go to page 24, and then you'll come back to this slide and you'll click up here to listen to the read aloud, okay? Then from there, when you're done listening to chapter 3, you're going to come back to Google Classroom and click on chapter 3, the discussion questions, which I want to see like you guys would see. There we go. And so, which word describes Gabe? Is he a coward, self-centered, talkative, or entertaining? Then I want you to write a sentence that describes Gabe in your own words. Next, I want to see, what do you predict will be different about the summer camp that Percy's dad wants him to attend? And then, what's the biggest revelation in chapter 3? Like, what's the biggest event that happened? The biggest thing, the most important thing that happened? And when you're done, go ahead and hit that submit button. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week.